to make a paper airplane. So you want a plain sheet of paper. So then you fold one hot dog. Then you want to open it up, and you want to fold like this. Get it right to the line, and you do that on the other side. Then once you've done that, you want to fold in, like push that all that out. So then you got that. Then you want to put this down to the bottom, and do that on the other side. And then you fold down, and then go back to the other side and do that. Then you kind of put that up, and then you got yourself a paper airplane.